Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an event in Proton Calendar step by step. Deleting events is a quick way to keep your calendar organized by removing canceled meetings, outdated reminders, or appointments you no longer need. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone, and sign in to your Proton account if you haven't already. Wait for your calendar to load, then navigate to the date containing the event you want to remove. Next, click or tap the event to open its details. You'll see information such as the event title, date, time, location, and any reminders or notes that were added. Now select the delete option or tap the trash icon, depending on the version of Proton Calendar you're using. When prompted, confirm that you want to permanently delete the event from your calendar. If the event is part of a recurring series, Proton Calendar may ask whether you want to delete only this event, this and future events, or the entire series. Choose the option that best matches what you want to remove from your schedule. After confirming your choice, the event will disappear from your calendar and automatically sync across all your devices where you're signed in with the same Proton account. This helps keep your schedule consistent everywhere you use Proton Calendar. Finally, double-check your calendar to make sure the correct event was removed. If you deleted the wrong event by mistake, recreate it as soon as possible with the correct details. And that's it. You now know how to delete an event in Proton Calendar and keep your schedule clean and up to date. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back.